MaxAuto is one of the largest and most professional manufacturers of automotive tires and wheel parts in the aftermarket auto parts industry. With proactive approaches to new product development, we can make a swift response to fast-changing market demand in size, application, and specification. On a global scale, we are devoted to supplying a wide variety of tires, including ATV, UTV tires, lawn and garden tires, trailer tires, golf car tires, agriculture tires, snowblower tires, go-kart tires, and wheelbarrow tires. MaxAuto tires have been certified with the ISO 9001, ISO TS 16949 Quality Management System, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Our products have passed CCC, ECE, InMetro, DOT, SASO, GCC, BIS, and SONCAP certifications. A comprehensive quality management system is implemented covering development, production, sales, logistics, as well as after-sales service. Now, how to choose tires for your car. You can check the size of the tires on your trailer by observing the sidewall of the tire. Before replacing your trailer tires, it's important to ensure that the new tires are of the same size and load range. Only by doing so will the tires be capable of properly managing the trailer's weight.